Hi, this is Stephen Hickey with GIT Get Into Technology, and in this short video I want to show you this email in front of you. It's Canada Revenue Agency, and no, it's not. This is a totally BS email that's trying to phish my information so it can do kind of some identity scamming or whatever. And how do I know this? Okay, so first and foremost, go up to the top where it says Canada Revenue Agency, and you want to see if it's from there, which I know it's not. So you're just going to move your mouse up there. You're going to hover until it highlights, and then you're going to see this little arrow where my mouse pointer is. Just left click that, and now on the right hand side you can see this is from MLS2689 at levy3.ca, which has nothing to do with Canada Revenue Agency. They've just masked this email to think that you're getting it from them. So just go to there and click on the white, and the same down here with this link. And I don't know who Jeffrey Dukin is because that's not me. And they're talking about a tax refund of $458 waiting for him. Yeah, waiting for him. And when she clicks on this link, then that's going to gather all his information, right? So just come down here and take your mouse pointer and hover over the link and wait for it. Then you see https://. It seems to be the same, the link. The link is the same. Now, in a lot of cases, the link won't be the same. It will say something here like canon.com, and then when you hover over it, it might say something like snowmobiles.com, just for an example. So this is very interesting that it's the same. But this looks like a official government email, or not email, domain. But I can tell you, this right here, that and that's not government. And then classified bureau. Yeah, okay, whatever. Anyway, so I wanted you to identify what is a fraudulent email that's phishing to get your information so they can steal out your identity or have you sign in, and then you put your information in and they grab it all. So that's that. And so what I would do with this is I would not delete this. I just put it in spam. So if you're on a Mac, it's spam up here, or junk rather. That goes into the junk folder, and then you won't get these. So I'm just going to do that right now. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and just be careful. This is Stephen Hickey with GIT Get Into Technology. Thanks for watching.